Summer is here. Are you having problems losing weight? I'm sure you want to get it off quickly, probably more this year than ever. So today I'm going to tell you 6 key weight loss mistakes that you might be making and how to fix them. Feel like you're doing everything right when it comes to losing weight, but nothing seems to be happening? Probably you're making some very common mistakes that are easily fixed and can help you lose the weight faster. Reason number 1, you're not losing weight. You're probably drinking too many calories. If you're drinking juice, protein shakes, smoothies, and not counting the calories, then you're taking in more calories than you probably need. Make sure you drink non-caloric beverages. Stick to mostly water. Water will keep you full, keep you hydrated during the summer, and make sure that you're not getting in extra calories you don't need. You also need to reduce the amount of alcohol you're taking in, especially those, yummy, sippy, cocktaily drinks that you like to drink by the pool. Forget them. Stick to, if you are going to drink alcohol, clear beverages such as vodka with soda water, rum with diet beverages if you must. Otherwise, skip them altogether. Number 2 reason you're not losing any weight is you don't count your calories. You need to understand how many calories your body needs daily, how many it's burning off, and you need to be in a calorie deficit in order to lose weight. So how do you know how many calories you need and how do you track them? First off, make sure you measure your food. I know it can be annoying, but once you start to do it, you're gonna start to remember what one portion of chicken looks like. In addition to that, you can also track your macros and your calories using an app, and you can use an online tool such as a BMR calculator in order to determine your actual calorie needs. Number 3 reason you're not losing weight is you forget to change your workout. This is a really simple one. A lot of people just forget about it. They maintain the same workouts day in, day out. They don't bother to change their workout. Your body gets adjusted and maintains the same level. So if you want to increase your metabolism, get your calorie burning up, you need to change your workout. Think to change every 4 to 6 weeks and use different types of movements. Don't always stick to the same type of workout. Introduce different types of cardio, different types of weight training, classes, whatever it is that gets you moving, that shocks your body to a new level. Tip number 4, you skip breakfast. Now I know there's lots of people out there that follow intermittent fasting diets and those can work for them, but for the majority of us, we do get up in the morning and we have something to eat. Now, if you skip your breakfast, chances are later in the day you might be eating a little bit more. They've actually had studies done on this that have shown that people that don't eat breakfast or skip it tend to eat more later in the day. So you're really not doing yourself any favors. If you're not that hungry, try having something small like a protein shake. Something that's high in protein also will make sure that your thermic response is up, your metabolism is boosted, and you're getting something that will help increase your lean body mass. Number 5 reason you're not losing weight, this one is actually more common than not, you're stressed out. If you're stressed, your cortisol levels are going to be higher. Once your cortisol is higher, everything else is affected. Your muscle building is affected, your weight loss is affected. These things we want to be on par when we're losing weight. So don't stress about your situation or if it's not coming off fast enough. Try doing some meditation, try relaxing, enjoy the moment, enjoy the process of losing weight. Lastly, the number 6 reason you're not losing weight, another easy one to fix, you're not sleeping enough. Once you start to lose sleep, your appetite actually starts to increase because those hormones that cause you to have an appetite go up. So you need to get about 7 to 8 hours of sleep a night. That will help you not only have better energy during the day for your workouts, but it's also going to help your metabolism. So there you have it, 6 common weight loss mistakes that you can avoid. Use these tips to help optimize your weight loss and get your metabolism firing. You can find more information about this topic if you visit my blog, sexystrongfit.com.